Council?
Yes.
Why are you saying that Judge Ssekaana's orders to imprison Ssemakadde for 2 years is because of long-time hatred between the two?
Yes, and Ssekaana made this open to one of his friends, many. He said he will never forgive Mabirizi, he will never forgive Ssemakadde, he will never forgive Lukwago. He's saying that we subjected him to humiliation and is it political attacks, so you never forgive us.
Okay.
So he's a man who, we thought he would change from his lousiness when he was in practice.
So those big words.
He refused to change. But the recent hatred between Ssemakadde and Ssekaana came from the MTN case. There were other cases which they had about Makerere University, stuff, what and what. But the M10 case, where I sued and Ssemakadde were not happy with the way Philip Odoki was handling the case. We complained against Philip Odoki in the Service Commission. Now, I don't know, filed a purported contempt of court proceedings. But Philip Odoki was smarter than Ssekaana. When that case came before Philip Odoki, he refused to hear it. He said no, he said that it was me who was abused. Let it go to another person. It went to Ssekaana. But when Ssekaana, it is alleged that Ssekaana is the one who abused. He has the case. He had my case that I abused him. He had Ssekaana's, Ssemakadde's case that he abused him. So he's harboring hatred from 2021, 2022, where he said that Ssemakadde said that he had a small penis. So that's his problem.
Couldn't these issues be solved or sorted? Because
you see, these are raw issues. When someone does judicial fraud, and a person like Ssekaana is not a person who is not a man of principles, actually. That's why for me, I've received many calls from many people talk to Ssekaana. I said, no, there's nothing to talk about. That's why I was even against talking to Onyidolo. Because these are principles. If you want everything to be sorted, just act as the law requires. Yes. Don't forget you are going to